In today's video, I am going to give you the latest update about the effect of vaccines on Delta variant. Sputnik V was found to be 90% effective against Delta variant, which was first discovered in India. They have submitted the data in International Journal for peer review. Sputnik V is a recombinant adenovirus vector vaccine. It uses two types of adenovirus vector, one recombinant adenovirus vector 26 and the other recombinant adenovirus vector 5. The doses are given 21 days apart. However, the time interval between the doses can be extended up to 3 months. The vaccine was found to have 92% efficacy against the original strain as compared to 90% against Delta variant. So, there is a slight reduction in efficacy, but the fall is insignificant. 2.6-fold decreased serum activity, that is, neutralizing antibodies, were less in case of Delta variant. What is neutralizing antibodies? They are the particular antibodies that are responsible for defending the cell from a particular pathogen, in this case, the Delta variant. That is, they defend the cell from the Delta variant. Sputnik V is made on well-established adenovirus vector-based platform like AstraZeneca Oxford vaccine and Johnson & Johnson vaccine. The 92% efficacy against the original strain was based on phase 3 trial data from 21,977 participants. There are article which says Sputnik V is safe and effective. We will know more about Sputnik V's efficacy on Delta variant once their article is published. Moderna is a mRNA vaccine, a new technology. It was shown to be 94.1% effective against the original strain. And this phase 3 trial was done on 30,000 participants. In the real world, it is found to have 80% effective 14 days after the first dose and 90% effective 14 days after the second dose. And it seems to give a protection for at least 6 months. Doses are given 28 days apart. Recently, an article was submitted but not peer-reviewed yet, in which participants were vaccinated with 100 microgram of Moderna vaccine and their serum, that is the blood plasma, was collected 7 days after the second dose. There was 2.1-fold reduction in neutralizing antibody against the Delta variant. Remember neutralizing antibodies? They protect us from particular pathogen, in this case the Delta variant. So it seems that there is a reduction, but the vaccine is able to handle the Delta variant quite well. Covaxin is a whole virion inactivated SARS-CoV-2. That is, a SARS-CoV-2 virus is inactivated and that is injected in our body. It is a classical vaccine manufacturing method. This vaccine was found to have 65.2% protection against the Delta variant 14 days after the second dose. The overall efficacy of the vaccine is 77.8% against the original strain, and this data was collected from the trial of 25,798 participants, and it was found to be 93.4% protective against severe COVID-19. Doses are given 28 days apart. Among the different variants found through sequencing, 50 were Delta positive cases, of which 13 were from the vaccinated group and 37 were from the unvaccinated or the placebo group. From this, the efficacy against Delta variant for Covaxin was calculated to be 65.2%. Neutralizing antibodies were reduced by 2.7-fold against Delta variant. So, as you can see that most of the vaccines are effective against the Delta variant, although efficacy is reduced to some extent. The low vaccination rate is increasing the risk of virus mutating further. So, the only solution is to vaccinate everyone at a faster rate, and please don't hesitate to take the vaccine when your turn comes. That's it for today, guys. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.